God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us.
Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. This place you don't actually need an empty background. So play your camera, look at what I just did. Position yourself on top of a bench or anything, and you can raise your hand, then you are looking around. Alright, this is how to just record this video. Then after that you can leave yourself some few seconds or some few minutes. Alright, depending on how long you want your video to last, the duration you want your video to stay. You can see what I am doing. Then after that you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your first background, click it and import it to the workspace. Then you click it and check if there is a sound there. Go and locate volume, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on that good and go back. Then you click on it and trim it to the size you want. Alright, after trimming it now, you want to be clicking on that plus to import your second background. Alright, import your second background. At this point you want to do what is called duplicate. Go and duplicate this very second background now. Alright, duplicate it now, click on duplicate. Then at this point you go back. So at this point now we want to be clicking overlay, add overlay. Okay, add overlay, import your video to workspace now. Then click on the video and locate where you want to start. Click on it and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Click on this one and bring it to the beginning of the video. Click the video, look for volume, reduce it to 0, mark on the good and go back. So click it, go and look for remove BG now. Click on remove BG auto remover, allow it to remove completely. Okay, if you need any of this background, alright, these backgrounds, if you need any, you can DM me to send one to you. Alright, if you need them, DM me. So a size patient, allow it to remove. Now it has removed completely, mark on that good and go back. So at this point you want to click on it and expound it the way you want it to be. After expounding it now, then you position it the way you want it to be. Position it. After positioning it the way you want it to be, you go and click transform, locate transform now. Right, go and look for transform, click on transform, click on rotate. I want the character to face the other way around. This way. After you have turned it, then you adjust it to the position you want it to be. After adjusting it now, we are going to be marking anywhere. Click on anywhere and click add overlay. That is after you have positioned the character where the way you want it to be. Alright, you mark anywhere now and go and click overlay. We want to import our ego. Add overlay now. Import your ego to workspace. Look at the ego there. So at this point you go and locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Chroma key, drag it up, mark on this good and go back. Come back now and click on it again. You go and look for adjust. Alright, click on the green screen ego again, go and look for adjust. Alright, locate adjust, click on adjust, HSL, click on HSL, mark on that green, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on the good and go back now. So at this point now, look at it, we want to duplicate this green screen. Then you go to the end, go and locate duplicate now. Click on duplicate, then you come back. So come back now, click on the eagle and expound it a bit. All right, after expounding it, then you turn it upside down here, as if it's coming to pick something. Then position it, then you drag it up out of the scene completely. So after this now, we want to be adding keyframe to the green screen. You add keyframe here, add keyframe to the other the character layer as well, which is the second layer. After that, you adjust it. After that, then you drag the ego down. Watch what I am going to be doing now. All right, drag the ego down, drag the ego down here, as if it's coming to pick that character there. All right, so drag it down, then you adjust the video, then you adjust the character. So adjust the ego, you adjust the character, then you drag the ego up again and position the ego the way you want the ego to be. All right, so adjust the video now, drag the ego up, position the ego the way you want the ego to be. Look at it, then you click on the character and take the character to the point of the ego's mouth. All right, click on the character now, drag the character to the point of the ego's mouth. Look at it. After positioning it, let's see how it look. Let's see how it look. Good. Then this place now, drag the ego back. All right, that is what I did. Drag the ego back, then you drag the character back as well, because I want the video to play for some time. I don't want it to be too short. So as you drag it now, the next thing we are going to be doing now, watch what I am going to be doing. So you are going to be adjusting the video now. So this place is only the character you will concentrate on now. You adjust the video, you adjust the character to the point of the ego's mouth. Look at what I am going to be doing now. As you adjust the video, you adjust the character to the point of the ego's mouth. Look at it. So you adjust the video, you adjust the character to the point of the ego's mouth. All right, you come down to do here so that your video will look perfect and it will look professional. As you are adjusting the video, you are adjusting the character to the ego's mouth. I believe you are seeing what I am doing. You are concentrating on the character here. All right, so as you are adjusting the video, the ego will be adjusting automatically. You are adjusting the character to the point of the ego's mouth. This is what you will keep doing, all right, until you get to the end of the video. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, give us thumbs up if you like what we are doing. So look at what I am doing. I am still adjusting. As you are adjusting the video, you are adjusting the character to the ego's mouth. All right, keep doing it until you get to the end of the video. All right, you do it gradually so that you will get a perfect and a better move. Okay, and again, if you need that green screen ego, just DM me, I'll send it to you. All right, if you need the green screen ego, just DM us, we are going to send it to you. All right, and to all my fans there, we thank you for being there for us. Thank you. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you very much. So at this point here, we are going to be fast. We don't want the video to be too long. So after adjusting it, you have seen what I have taught you. So adjust it. At the end, we are going to be playing the video. Let us see what we have got so far. All right, okay, let's just see what we have got. Play the video now. Let us see what we have got. All right, the eagle has picked the character. Okay, look at it now. At the cost of watching it, you are checking if there is any error. If there is any error, you will take time to correct your errors. But at this point, I think that this video is ready. As you can see, look at that man there, as the eagle is carrying that man to the destination he did not know. If they carry and go where you don't know. Okay, look at that man there. Eagle is carrying that man to the destination he does not know, unknown destination. Look at that man there, all right? So at this point, I feel and I believe that this video is ready, okay? What will be remaining on this video now is to add your sound effects, your light effects, as the case may be. Then after that, you can now export your video to your gallery, okay? Look at it there. At the end of all this now, after playing it, we want to be cutting out the unwanted part, as you can see me doing. Click, make a split, click, make a split, delete all the unwanted part. Look at it. You delete all the unwanted part, then you trim this one to be equal with this, okay? After 3 minutes now, you have gotten everything you want, all right? Just add your effects, then you export your video to your gallery. But there is another thing you need to understand here. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export the video. Reason being that you used auto remove BG, which is a pro features. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video, and after that, you will learn how to export this video to your gallery. Then you export it and share it to your social media handles, okay? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. This is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? I'll see you in our next video, alright? Thanks for watching. Stay safe.